Format Painter is used to apply a particular formatting to different parts of a Word document. To apply this formatting to the first paragraph of this document, click anywhere in this portion. In the Home tab, click on Format Painter. See, the shape of the cursor has changed. Select the sentences where you want to apply the formatting. Now to apply the same formatting to multiple portions, for example, to apply this formatting to different parts of this document, click anywhere in this paragraph. This time we have to double click on the Format Painter. Now select the portions where you want to apply the formatting. See, still the Format Painter is active. To get out of this mode, to disable Format Painter, press the Escape key.